In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Copilot when it's not working. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. I appreciate your support, and it really helps me to continue creating helpful content for you. So let's dive into this issue, because I know how frustrating it can be when a helpful tool suddenly stops functioning as it should. Microsoft Copilot is designed to assist you with various tasks and boost your productivity, but sometimes it can run into a few hiccups. The good news is, we can troubleshoot these problems together. First off, one of the primary reasons Microsoft Copilot might not be working is due to a simple connectivity issue. You'll want to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Check to see if your Wi-Fi is working properly or if there's any interruption in your network. You can do this by trying to browse a web page or checking another app that requires the internet. If everything seems fine on your end, let's move on to the next step. The second thing to look into is whether Microsoft Copilot is up to date. Software updates are essential for all applications, and sometimes a bug fix or enhancement can help resolve issues. To check for updates, navigate to the settings within the Microsoft application where you expect Copilot to work. There's usually an option labeled Check for Updates or Update Now. Go ahead and click that. If there's an update available, make sure you download and install it. Now, even after you've updated everything, if Copilot still isn't working, let's move on to a common yet often overlooked step, restarting the application or your device. It sounds simple, but you'd be surprised at how effective this can be. Close out of the Microsoft application completely and then reopen it. If that doesn't yield results, try shutting down your computer or device and starting it up again. This refresh can sometimes clear any temporary glitches. If you're still experiencing issues, the next step is to ensure that your Microsoft 365 subscription is active. Copilot functionality may depend on your subscription type, and there may have been changes that prevented you from accessing certain features. Sign in to your Microsoft account and check your subscription status. If there's a problem with your account or payment, you might have to address that before using Copilot again. Another great troubleshooting method is clearing out the cache. Sometimes, outdated or corrupted cache files can cause problems with applications. If you're not sure how to do this, search for the Settings option in your device, go to the Storage settings, and look for your Microsoft applications. Most systems will have a Clear Cache option. Once you've done this, launch the application again and see if Copilot is back in action. If your Copilot feature is still playing hard to get, consider reinstalling the application completely. Uninstall it, making sure you're removing all parts related to Microsoft Copilot. Then go back to the Microsoft Store or your original download source to reinstall it. This ensures that you're starting fresh, which can often resolve ongoing issues. Lastly, if none of these solutions have worked, your best bet is to contact Microsoft Support. They have a dedicated team that can help investigate and resolve issues that may be specific to your setup. Don't hesitate to reach out to them, as they can provide assistance tailored to your situation. So there you have it. Follow these steps to troubleshoot Microsoft Copilot when it's not working, and you should be back up and running in no time. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and good luck with getting your Copilot back on track.